8 Tips and Tricks to Unleash the Power of Your Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. The Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro have arrived, boasting a plethora of features and functionalities. If you're wondering where to begin, we've compiled a list of fantastic tips to help you make the most of your new phone. 1. Remove unwanted elements with the Magic Eraser. The Magic Eraser, a Pixel fan favorite, has become even more impressive in the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. It lets you effortlessly eliminate undesired objects from your photos, such as people, vehicles, or even entire buildings. To use it, open the photo, tap the Magic Eraser icon, outline the object to remove, and hit the Erase button. Watch as the Magic Eraser works its magic, leaving your image pristine. 2. Capture night sight videos. Night sight, one of the standout features of the Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro, now extends to video recording. You can record clear, well-lit videos even in low-light conditions. To shoot a night sight video, switch to video mode in the camera app, tap the night sight icon and begin recording. Night sight will automatically optimize your camera settings for the best possible low-light video. 3. Realistic skin tones with Real Tone. The Real Tone feature on the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro ensures more accurate representation of skin tones in your photos and videos. Activate Real Tone by opening the camera app, tapping the settings icon, and toggling the Real Tone switch. 4. Translate text in real time with Live Translate. Live Translate on the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro allows real-time text translation without typing a word. This is incredibly handy for travel or communication with people speaking different languages. Open the camera app, tap the Google Translate icon, point your camera at the text to translate, and let the Pixel work its magic. 5. Extend battery life with Battery Saver. Concerned about your battery life? Activate the Battery Saver mode on your Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. While it slightly reduces performance, it significantly extends your battery life. To enable it, go to the Settings app, tap Battery, and toggle on Battery Saver. 6. Protect your battery with Adaptive Charging. Adaptive charging, another valuable feature, safeguards your battery from overcharging. Your Pixel learns your charging habits and adjusts its charging speed accordingly. Open the Settings app, tap Battery, and turn on Adaptive Charging. 7. Minimize distractions with Focus Mode. The Focus Mode on the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro helps you concentrate by blocking notifications and distractions from selected apps. To enable Focus Mode, access the Settings app, tap Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, then select Focus Mode. Create a new mode and choose the apps to block. 8. Transcribe audio with the Recorder app. The Recorder app on the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro not only records audio but also transcribes it into text, making it perfect for meetings, lectures, and important audio recordings. To transcribe, open the Recorder app, select the recording, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and choose Transcribe. You can edit and save the transcript as a text file for future reference.